Thought I'd give you a brief rundown on how to do JDK9 with IntelliJ using Java3d. So we're getting, I'll say, cutting edge early access JDK9, old IntelliJ IDE 14.1.5, and I wanted to make it all work together. What I ended up doing was I went into the bin directory, grabbed the DLL, also went into the lib ext directory, grabbed all the jars. Then I went back into the JDK hit the lib, pasted in the DLLs and the jars all into the lib directory, which is not normal. Normally you'd like to see an ext file in here. We're mixing the DLLs and we're mixing the JREs. Moreover, when we go in to IntelliJ and we look at the configurations on this, we have to select a JRE, and the JREs that we have available to us have to come from JDK9. So in order for us to do that, we click on Use Alternative JRE, and we can see that there's a pop-down menu here, but our JRE is not present. So then we go and we search for the JRE, and what do we find? But there's a new organization for JRE9, and it's broken out from the JDK. We click OK on that. IntelliJ, unlike Eclipse, seems to like it. If we click OK, we can try and run our program, and when we run into troubles, it's almost certainly because we've got improper load paths for our system. So for example, in here we see IACTjre9+java3d native config templates. These are the kinds of things that might have been invoked from the old style Java3d. So getting that Java3d to work is still going to be a bit of a headache, but we can get the JRE to be recognized by IntelliJ. And so then the question becomes, how will we get the Java3d to work? And that becomes a whole other nightmare. So just thought I'd give you a brief rundown. IntelliJ essentially does work with JDK9, but getting it to run with Java3d, that'll be a trick. Thanks for your attention. Talk to you later. Bye.